Hi guys, in this video we will see how to delete pages from PDF files without using Acrobat Reader or any third-party software. You can easily delete a PDF file in between your folder. If your PDF having 30 to 40 pages and if you want to delete in between 4 to 5 pages, then you can easily delete without any software. Here are the process. Open any PDF file which you want to take print, you can which you want to delete. You can see here 4 pages in my PDF file. Now I want to delete one pages, serial number 3. How can we delete it? Here are the process. Go to print from the top right corner. Click on print or simply press Ctrl+P to open print wizard. You can see 4 pages available here. Here printer name set as Microsoft Print to PDF and scroll down and go to pages section, and here pages section manually enter the page serial number 1, 2, and if you want to delete third page number then simply type 1, 2 and 4. Now you can see page number 3 automatically removed from here. So which page you want to delete, leave that number under pages column. We are removing third page number, so we will not enter page serial page number 3. Directly we have taken 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4. You can see third page number successfully removed. Now click on print. A saving wizard will open. Here choose a location where you want to save this newly edited PDF file and assign a name of this file. Format should be PDF. We will keep updated PDF and click on save. Now you have successfully removed or delete a page serial number 3 from this PDF folder. 1, 2 and 3. So it previously 4 pages. Now we will open updated folder in download folder and open it, and you can see page number 1 of 3. Previously it having 4 pages, now it having 3 pages only.